Next example, again taking this as a first function and this as a second function. Now, integrating by parts, now using the formula we are having first function as it is integration of second, that is secant square x dx minus integration differentiation for the first, integration for the second. Now x tan x minus integration of 1 with 1 with tan x dx. Now here we can go with the two different steps. Now number 1, we can write it x tan x minus, now integration of tan x, we can write it minus log mod of cos x plus c. So this becomes x tan x plus log mod of cos x plus c. One, this can be answer, or alternatively we can move from this step or taking integration of tan x is equal to log mod of secant x plus c. Then what the answer will be? Then the answer will be x, this step, x tan x negative of log secant x plus c. This can also be the answer, this can also be the answer. Okay, depends on the question, depends on you what you are. If they are asking you to prove, if they are asking that prove that integration for this is this one, then do like this. If they are asking prove that integration of this is this one, then go for this one. Okay.